Hello and welcome to English Unlocked. This is Lesson 1, an English test for Level A1. Today's topic is the verb to be, am, is, are. This is the first and most important step in English. This is not an exam. There is no pressure. Before we start, here are the rules of the test. You will hear 25 questions. For each question, you will have 10 seconds to choose your answer. Please do not rush. Take your time. You will hear all the correct answers at the end of the test, after you answer all 25 questions. If you like, prepare a pen and a piece of paper, and write down your answers. Or you can write all your answers in the comments below the video. Good luck. Let's begin.
Question 1. I. A is B M C R. Tired. Question 2. She. A M B R C is my sister. Question 3. They. A is B M C R. At home. Question 4. We. A R B is C M. Ready now. Question 5. He. A R B M C is a student. Question 6. I. A is B R C M. From Ukraine. Question 7. It. A R B is C M. Cold today. Question 8. U. A is B M C R. Very kind. Question 9. My parents. A is B R C M. At work. Question 10. I. A M B R C is happy today. Question 11. The book A R B M C is on the table. Question 12. My friends. A is B R C M. Here. Question 13. She, A-R-B-M-C, is very busy. Question 14. We, A, is, B, R, C, M, in the city center. Question 15. I, A, is, B, M, C, R, not ready yet. Question 16. He, A, R, B, M, C, is my brother. Question 17. They, A, is, B, R, C, M, late today. Question 18. She, A, R, B, M, C, is at home now. Question 19. We, A, is, B, R, C, M, students. Question 20. I, A, M, B, R, C, is very tired now. Question 21. The weather, A, R, B, is, C, M, nice today. Question 22. You, A, is, B, M, C, are welcome here. Question 23. My mother, A, R, B, M, C, is at work. Question 24. We, A, is, B, R, C, am happy to be here. Question 25. I, A, M, B, R, C, is ready to learn English.
Let's check the answers together. 1. I am tired. 2. She is my sister. 3. They are at home. 4. We are ready now. 5. He is a student. 6. I am from Ukraine. 7. It is cold today. 8. You are very kind. 9. My parents are at work. 10. I am happy today. 11. The book is on the table. 12. My friends are here. 13. She is very busy. 14. We are in the city centre. 15. I am not ready yet. 16. He is my brother. 17. They are late today. 18. She is at home now. 19. We are students. 20. I am very tired now. 21. The weather is nice today. 22. You are welcome here. 23. My mother is at work. 24. We are happy to be here. 25. I am ready to learn English. Thank you for taking the time to practice your English. Write in the comments how many answers you got right. You can also share how you feel after this test. If this lesson was helpful, listen to the next one here on English Unlocked. See you next time.